Introducing the Paslode Cordless 1.5 inch positive placement metal connector nailer. It's metal connecting made cordless. Setting up is a snap. Insert battery. Load fuel and nails. Pull back the bypass follower, release, and go. The Paslode fuel system ensures a lightweight, hassle-free experience, perfect for moving around job sites freely. Our positive placement probe enables accurate driving into metal connector holes, even while on the move. Plus, its tough, durable, and compact design makes it easy to use in tight corners and spaces. Ideal for anchors, straps, hurricane ties, joist hangers, and more. The cordless metal connector nailer does it all. Convenience meets efficiency with our fuel and nail packs, offering the exact number of nails for the included fuel cells. Plus, our metal connector nails feature marked heads that make identification easy for inspectors. And based on valuable feedback from the field, our system is meticulously crafted with an ergonomic design and a host of new and convenient features to handle whatever the workday throws your way. Experience the freedom of metal connecting made cordless with the Paslode Cordless 1.5 inch positive placement metal connector system. It's metal connecting made cordless.